So, look who we've got here in the shop today. We've got Stéphane, he's back again.
Hello.
Last time you saw Stéphane, we had a head gasket problem, didn't we?
Yeah.
Got into trouble about that then, didn't we? Don't mention the war, or a certain engineering company in England. But it's fixed it, eh?
Yeah, it's fixed right now. Yeah, no more problem about that.
No more problem.
Yeah.
Do you know something? But we have to be careful what we say, but I heard quite a few people had problems with those same gaskets. Yeah.
Okay.
Same problem, exactly the same problem.
Exactly the same.
Blowing on that ring. So anyway, so we're here with the Land Rover today. What a surprise! Stéphane's built this himself. It's really good, isn't it? I think it's nice. I think you've done a great job.
Thanks.
Got the obligatory bull bar for me to pull myself to bits. I'm trying to get in the engine. But basically, what we're going to do today, Stéphane?
We want to validate the fuel system because I have trouble with the power on highway. So we have to look something like that, and also put a track bar conversion kit from Gwen Lewis.
Oh, Gwen Lewis.
Yeah. It's to use a ball joint, a regular ball joint on the steering box.
Oh, the steering box.
Yeah, and 2 new track bar. And some bush to change.
Have you got did you get the panhard rod?
Yeah. No, I have the bush for the panhard rod, but
no. But did you get the adjustable panhard rod?
Yeah, it's an adjustable one.
Oh, okay.
Maybe it's not adjusted correctly.
Well, no, because if you do a lift,
you will see. Yeah.
If you do a lift, your wheels tend to shift to one side.
He never got on a lift, that truck.
Oh no.
No.
I hope we can lift it up. It's heavy, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. What else have we got to do? Where are we going to start? Top or bottom? We're going to have a look at the top or the bottom.
I think I want to start on the bottom.
All right, because that could take a long time.
Yeah, and that's for me. That's the more
more important.
The more important before leaving for my trip. Yeah. Because all the rest I can deal with it, but I would like to have another one.
Where are you going?
It's across Canada first, so all the Labrador Maritime go to the Alaska and then straight down to Argentina. All right. It's a 2.5-year trip.
2.5-year trip. Yeah. So you've saved up for a Toyota then.
Well, I have all my spare parts, so we'll be okay. I think.
Yeah, we've done a video on spare parts. Yeah, tell you something. I did a video the other day on what spare parts to take because I've had so many people asking me.
I missed that video.
Oh no, you should watch it every day. But not every day. But I just came out with a few things off the top of my head, and I asked people. I said, "What would you take with you?" Apart from a Toyota towed behind your truck, but what would you take? And the list is loads and loads of things. In fact, so much you'd need a trailer. But the idea is to get your vehicle tip top before you go.
Yeah, that's.
If you don't,
exactly.
You know, if you just buy something like an old 25-year-old Land Rover. And then you want to take it down to Argentina. Well, best of luck with that without looking at it.
I'm pretty confident with what.
No, this is a good build, isn't it?
And the main spare part I have is everything that is related to the engine. I know I need more part, but at least I will be able.
Well, like I say, look, I've just taken it out for a bit of a drive up a hill, and it is a bit slow up hills, but it's got a lot of weight on it. More weight and. It's got a 1.3 transfer case, hasn't it?
Exactly. Yeah.
And you said it was okay on the highway until you get to a hill.
Yeah. Sometimes the hill is okay, but some other time it's not okay. I have some factor, maybe the wind or something else.
It's like driving the bloody sailing ship, isn't it, with all that weight? Which, hey, that's a good idea. We could put a sail on the roof.
Yeah, maybe.
That's save on fuel, isn't it? Well, alternatively, we could put the old GM V6 in it. People don't like it, right?
I don't know, maybe.
You're a bloody good engine.
That's the one you have on your truck.
I've sold that one now.
Okay.
No, I put a, what was it now? It was a GM V6 Vortec engine. Was it 3.6? Fitted like snug as a bug in a rug. It really went well. You know that hill we've just been in? The first day I took it out on a test run up the hill, I overtook a Jeep going up the hill.
Oh, wow.
It was like a rocket. Mind you, it used a lot of fuel, but that said it was cheap.
Exactly.
You know, it was cheap.
It's still a diesel, or it's a gas? It's a gas.
Yeah, it's gas. But you can get gas anywhere.
Yeah.
and anybody could fix it.
Exactly.
I sold millions of those engines.
I'll see after a couple
No,
of.
I was only sort of joking, but it was good because, like I say, it went really, really well. I was impressed, and I thought they'd sell. Nobody wanted one. We want diesel because it's cheaper. It isn't in the long run, is it? when your injector pump goes. You had an injector pump on this, didn't you? You bought one.
Yeah, it's a rebuilt one. Yeah. Also.
Did you get injectors as well?
Yeah.
So really, we can iron out all that fuel system problem.
Probably, maybe timing. Like
you wanted to put a, what was it? A boost pin.
The boost pin, yeah, I had boost pin and boost ring.
And boost ring.
Yeah.
See,
but that's my latest alternative after validate everything is okay.
Yeah. I'm a bit sceptical about those things. I won't teach anybody how to do them, just in case I get comebacks on me. So, you told me to do this and the engine's blown up.
Yeah, so now
I thought they were good and powerful. I just fitted the boost pin on its own, but when you put your foot down, you did get a lot of smoke.
Okay.
It went well, I must admit. You could, we had a little 90, and you could spin all four wheels going up this road.
Oh yeah, so it make a big difference, but
really big difference.
Maybe hard on the engine or.
I think it would be a bit too hard, a bit too much fuel.
No, only a little bit. But if it's the power of the truck, that's okay. But I would like to be able to go on the left lane on the highway and pass over a guy with confidence.
Well, they're only 110 horsepower.
Yeah, I know that's not.
That's about the same as my Yaris.
But
the
Defender can tow a 3,000 kilo trailer. I will never be able to do that with that truck. No. For sure.
You can do it, but very slowly.
Yeah, very slowly.
That's what people don't tell you. Yeah, we'll pull a great big 3,000 pound trailer. Yeah, but you're not. Americans sort of want. Well, no offence to Americans, but they're so used to these big pickups. You know, these big straight 6 Cummins engines and stuff like that. Well, because I had one once before, and you could pull a fully laden trailer at like 80 miles an hour without any uphill and downhill all day long. So when they come to this, there's no power. But it's only a 4-cylinder little diesel.
But I'm more confident now.
Even
if it's at low speed on the highway, I put my hazard with all my light on the back, and it's not a safety reason at the moment. But before I was concerned a bit, but now no. But if I can go a little bit better, I will try. But if it does the way it go, I don't want to mess with all the.
Knowing the vehicle as it is. And what you put onto it, maybe I would have done the 1.44.
Yeah, go back to
Go back to a 144.
Yeah.
Because you'd compensate for the power by like lowering the gears. It's just a shame that those overdrives that you used to be able to get, not one of those, what were they called? Rover drive. Remember those mechanical? You still get them. Romacom they call it. Roma drive. That's it.
Roma drive. Okay.
But I don't know. They ran bloody hot. But once upon a time you could get an electric one. You just on a button, electric overdrive.
Oh yeah. So sometimes you have some boost.
Yeah. It would work in 3rd and 4th gear, I do believe. But it was really good.
Okay.
I had one once, but I think they went bust. I don't know what happened to that company. Oh, GKN made them.
Okay.
GKN, but never heard of them for years and years. But I thought they were good because you had that select.
Yeah, that's really nice.
And you could go like halfway between 2 gears just on a flick of a button. Anyway, less of this rambling. We'll call this part 1, part 2. We're going to get it up in the air. See you.